Hello everyone, welcome to this session of trigonometry. So our topic is transformations. So in previous sessions we discussed formula and some problems related to IP. Just today I will complete the IP part. So from tomorrow onwards we will start objective. Okay, so already we discussed some problems on identities at a plus b plus c 0, 180, 90 like that. So one important model is there. So today we will discuss that model. Okay, right. See the problem. See the first problem. If a plus b plus c equal 0, at a plus b plus c equal to 180, we did a problem sin 2a plus sin 2b plus sin 2c equal to something 4 sin a sin b sin c. Just here the left hand side is no change. There is same problem. At a plus b plus c 180. Here the condition is different, a plus b plus c 0. Here right side there will get extra minus, that's it. So procedure is same, but the condition is different, a plus b plus c 0 here we have to use. Okay, so now we take LHS and apply formula. So observe that sin 2a plus sin 2b, let us consider this is sin c and equal sin b, sin d. Just apply formula for sin c plus sin d. The first problem point of view. So otherwise write down the problem. Sin 2a plus sin 2b plus sin 2c. This is the problem. Okay, apply formula for these two. Sin c plus sin d. What is the formula for sin c plus sin d? 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. That means 2 sin c plus d by 2, 2a plus 2b by 2 cos 2a minus 2b by 2 plus sin 2c is there, sin 2c. So just observe that in the numerator there is 2 common, these will get cancelled. Here also these 2 will get cancelled. Then what about the remaining 2 into sin of a plus b into cos of a minus b plus sin 2c is there. Okay, so observe the right hand side part of first problem. Minus 4 sin a sin b sin c is there. So what are the angles in the right hand side? ABC. Just try to convert these angles into ABC, then we will get answer easily. So cos a minus b, you can't change this angle. There is no relation for a minus b. Here a plus b is there. We have given a plus b plus c is equal to 0. From this a plus b equal to minus c. This implies a plus b is equal to minus c. Replace a plus b by minus c. Here 2 into sin of minus c into cos of a minus b. So write down the formula of sin 2c. 2 sin c cos c. 2 sin c cos c. So sin of minus c is nothing but minus sin c. So here we can write minus 2 sin c cos of a minus b plus 2 sin c cos c. So now take 2 sin c common. 2 sin c minus 2 sin c. Minus 2 sin c. Then here the remaining is cos a minus b. Just we are taking minus 2 sin c common. Then here we get minus cos c. Okay. So in right hand side there are sin a, sin b, sin c sums are there. So already we get sin c. So whatever the remaining sin a and sin b. So the first term is in terms of a and b, no problem with this. So try to write c also in terms of ab with help of this condition a plus b plus c g. So here from this c is equal minus of a plus b, just replace c by minus of a plus b. Okay, with the help of this replace c minus 2 sin c into cos of a minus b minus of cos of a plus b. So cos of minus theta cos theta. So this is nothing but cos a plus b. So otherwise write down minus 2 sin c. Okay. Cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b, because cos of minus theta is cos theta. So now we have a formula for this, cos a minus b minus cos a plus b 2 sin a sin b. That is the answer. So write down minus 2 sin c into 2 sin a sin b. This is the answer. Here 2 into 2, 4, 4 sin a sin b sin c. This is the answer. Okay, for first problem. Just at the same condition a plus b plus c, find out sin a plus sin b minus sin c. So same procedure, but in place of 2a there is a, b, c like that. So here there is a small change. In place of plus there is a minus. So no problem with this. So observe that. So now the second problem is, now take this left hand side of second problem. Sin a plus sin b minus sin c. Same procedure. Just apply formula for any two and try to take common. Again apply formula for the remaining two. That's all. Just our aim is, say, want to transfer addition to product or difference to product with help of identity a plus b plus 0. That's all. So just apply formula for these two. 2 sin c plus d by 2, c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2 minus. So try to express sin c as in terms of CD. Later just keep it. Later we will discuss about that. So again same, just observe the right side part of second problem. Here cos a by 2, cos b by 2, sin c by 2 there. Observe the angles a by 2, b by 2, c by 2. So single angles, submultiple angles. So here you can't change this angle. Say we can change this angle with the help of the condition a plus b plus c equal to 0. From this a plus b is equal to minus c. So a plus b by 2, just dividing both sides by 2 and apply sin function. Otherwise replace this by here. Otherwise find out sin of a plus b by 2. A plus b by 2 is equal to sin of minus c by 2. This is equal to minus sin c by 2. Just replace sin a plus b by 2 by minus sin c by 2. This is equal to minus 2 sin c by 2 cos of a minus b by 2 minus 2 sin c by 2 cos c by 2. Sin 2 theta equal to sin theta cos theta. Sin theta equal to sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Now here we have a common, or 2 sin c by 2, take minus 2 sin by 2 by 2 common. The remaining terms are cos a minus b by 2 plus cos c by 2. So already we got the term sin c by 2. What about the remaining? Cos a by 2, cos b by 2. Just observe the right side part. Cos a by 2, cos b by 2. So this is already cos c by 2. Here a and in terms of this is in terms of a and b, no problem with this. So try to introduce ab in place of c by 2 with the help of this one. So minus c by 2 equal this one. C by 2 equal minus of a plus b by 2. So with the help of this, replace c by 2. Here minus 2 sin c by 2 cos of a minus b by 2 plus cos of minus of a plus b by 2. Cos of minus theta cos theta. So now this is nothing but cos of a plus b by 2. So observe this, minus 2 sin c by 2 into cos of a minus b by 2 plus cos of a plus b by 2. Cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. 2 sin a, 2 cos a cos b. That is the answer. So simply write down the formula for that. So minus 2 sin c by 2 into 2 cos a by 2 cos b by 2. So by multiplying the 2 into 2 we get 4. Therefore minus 4 into cos a by 2 cos b by 2 sin c by 2. That is the answer. Okay, process is same. Just have to transfer plus sum to product or difference to product at any given condition, at any given identity. Okay, see one more problem. See the first problem. Sin square a by 2 plus sin square b by 2 minus sin square c by 2. Here we have two methods. One is direct method by applying sin square a minus sin square b, otherwise like that. The another one is by changing into first degree terms. We can write sin square a by 2 is equal to 1 minus cos a whole by 2. Then we will get an expression in terms of cos a, cos b, cos c. You know how to do the transformation for the first degree functions in terms of a, b, c angles. Okay, so I will do the first problem with the sphere function formulas and second one first degree formulas. Okay, so now take the LHS of the first problem. Here LHS is equal to sin square a by 2 plus sin square b by 2 minus sin square c by 2. Sin square a by 2 plus sin square b by 2 minus sin square c by 2. So here there is a formula for these two. So for these two there is direct formula, there is no direct formula. We have formulas for sin square a minus sin square b or cos square a minus cos square b, otherwise cos square a minus sin square b. Just these two are in the form of sin square a minus sin square b, just apply formula for that. So then we get sin square a by 2 plus sin a plus b into sin a minus, that means sin of b by 2 plus c by 2 into sin of b by 2 minus c by 2, sin of b by 2 minus c by 2. Okay, so next observe this. So again observe the right hand side. What are the angles in the right hand side? A by 2, b by 2, c by 2, already is in terms of a by 2, no problem with this function. So write this directly, sin square a by 2. Here sin b minus c by 2 is there, sin b plus c by 2 is there. B plus c by 2 and sin of b minus c by 2. We have to express in terms of single angle a by 2, b by 2, c by 2. So here we can't change b minus c by 2 value because we don't know b minus c value. We know the b plus c value because the angles are forms a triangle, that means sum of the angles 180. In a triangle ABC means sum of the angle 180, that means a plus b plus c is equal to 180 or pi. So with the help of this find out sin b plus c by 2 value. From this b plus c is equal to 180 minus a. So b plus c is equal to 180 minus a. Otherwise, so b plus c is equal to 180 minus a. Okay, so now want to find sin b plus c by 2, just dividing both sides by 2 and apply sin both sides. Then from this we can write sin b plus c by 2 is equal to sin of 180 by 2 minus a by 2. Okay, next from this sin 90 minus a by 2 means cos a by 2. Here the value of sin b plus c by 2 is equal to cos a by 2. Just replace sin b plus c by 2 by cos a by 2. If there is a cos a by 2, here sin square a by 2. Just in required answer also cos square a by 2. Cos a by 2 is there. Just write down in terms of cos a by 2. So now here sin square is nothing but 1 minus cos square a by 2 plus sin b plus c by 2 is nothing but cos a by 2. Okay, next one is sin b minus c by 2. Now take cos a by 2 from these two minus cos a by 2, otherwise minus cos a by 2 common, then we get cos a by 2 minus sin of b minus c by 2. So here already cos a by 2 is there, the remaining terms are sin b, cos b by 2 and sin c by 2. Okay, so it is in terms of b and c, no problem. Here we have to express cos a by 2 in terms of b and c. So observe this relation. Cos a by 2 equals sin b plus c by 2. Just replace cos a by 2 by sin b plus c by 2. Cos a by 2. Here just replace here only. Sin b plus c by 2. Sin of b minus c by 2, that means sin of b minus c by 2. Sin b plus c by 2 minus sin b minus c by 2. 2 cos a by 2 sin b by 2. That is the answer. 1 minus cos a by 2 into 2 cos b by 2 sin c by 2. This is the formula. This is the result. So verify the answer. 1 minus 2 cos a by 2 cos b by 2 sin c by 2. Okay. So this is the direct method with the help of sin square a minus sin square b formula. Square formulas in transformations. Sin square a minus sin square b we are expressing in product form. Reference to product. Okay. So here observe the second problem. Now take LHS for this. Now here LHS is equal to cos square a by 2 cos square b by 2 cos square c by 2. We can solve this equation. You can find this value with the help of square formulas also. But here I have to use first degree formulas. Okay, already we did a problem by using the second degree formulas. Okay, here first of all write down the cos square a by 2 cos square b by 2 cos square d by 2 in terms of first degree. Cos square a by 2 is nothing but 1 plus cos a by 2. Okay, cos square b by 2 1 plus cos b by 2. Cos square c by 2 1 plus cos c whole by 2. Clear? Here the LCM is 1 by 2. 1 plus 1 plus 1 3 plus cos a plus cos b plus cos c. Just find out the transformations of this expression. Already we did in the previous sessions. We know how to find the value of this one at the condition a plus b plus c equal to 180. Okay. Just simple method. Just apply transformation for any two. Just apply for these two. So 1 by 2 into 3 plus cos c plus cos d. 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2 plus cos c. Just observe the right side of this second problem. So for angle C, sin c by 2 is there. So now here we have a clear idea. Just we have to express cos c in terms of sin c by 2. That's it. At the same time, you can't change this angle. Try to change this angle, this function. Find out this value. So a plus b is equal to 180 minus c. A plus b by 2 is there. So a plus b by 2 is equal to 90 minus c by 2. Now cos function is there. So apply cos function on both sides. Then cos of a plus b by 2 is equal to cos 90 minus theta sin c by 2. So just replace cos a plus b by 2 by sin c by 2. 2 sin c by 2 cos of a minus b by 2 and express cos c also in terms of sin c by 2. 1 minus 2 sin square c by 2. Oh, 3 plus 1 4 Okay, plus take 2 sin c by 2 common, 2 sin c by 2 cos of a minus b by 2 minus sin c by 2. Just already we got 2 sin c by 2. What about the remaining terms? Just observe the right side part. Sin a by 2, sin b by 2, sin c by 2. Sin c by 2 also is there. Already is there. So remaining terms of sin a by 2 and sin b by 2. It is already in terms of AB. Try to write sin c by 2 also in terms of AB. So this is the relation. With the help of this, replace sin c by 2 by cos a plus b by 2. 4 plus 2 sin c by 2 into cos of a minus b by 2 minus cos of a plus b by 2. Now it is a standard form, cos a minus b minus cos a plus b. 2 sin a sin b, but in place of a and b there are a by 2 b by 2. We will get also in terms of a by 2 b by 2. Okay, understand? So write down 1 by 2 into 4 plus 2 sin c by 2 is there into 2 sin a by 2 sin b by 2. Now just observe the right side part. Just multiply by 1 by 2. Here get 2. Here just only 2 sin a by 2 sin b by 2 sin c by 2. This is the way. From this, just multiply by 1 by 2 will get 2 plus 2 sin a by 2 sin c by 2 sin c b by 2. 2 sin a by 2 sin b by 2 sin c by 2. This is the how to do the problems with square formulas and first degree. For squares, here just observe these two problems in terms of squares. Here also you have to transform the problem from product, sum to product. Both problems are same way. We can solve this to both the problems in same method by using the either squares formulas or first degree formulas. Okay, so here the method is not important. What are the required terms? What are the formulas are there? Just how can you convert it into standard form? Okay, if suppose observe the first term, there is no direct formula for these two, then just you have to change into form. Here there is a formula for this two, so just write down the formula. Otherwise, suppose plus sin square c by 2 is there, then you can't apply sin square a minus sin square a formula. In case of there is another formula, cos square minus sin square. Okay, later we will discuss about those type of problems also. Okay, see this first problem. In a triangle ABC, prove that sin square a by 2 plus sin square b by 2 minus sin square c by 2 equals something. So now take LHS. So the first problem, LHS is equal to sin square a by 2 sin square b by 2 minus sin square c by 2. It is important model for IP point of view. IP point of view for 7 marks. Okay, so here there is a formula. Let us consider this equals some a and this equals some b. Now it is in the form of sin square a minus sin square b. Just apply formula for that. Sin square a by 2 plus sin a plus b into sin image b. That means b by 2 plus c by 2 into sin b by 2 minus c by 2. Okay, understand? Now, so just keep it the first term square sin square a by 2. So try to find out this value. Here we can write sin of b plus c by 2, sin of b minus c by 2. So observe the right side of the first problem. There are cos a by 2, cos b by 2, sin c by 2 is there. The angles are the important. Here already a by 2 is there. There is no required to change this function. Okay, so cos a by 2, cos b by 2, sin c by 2, their functions also not important. First of all, observe the angle. A by 2 is there. Okay, no problem with this. So here, how can you write these angles in first degree form? Here there is no chance. Here we can change this angle. So A plus B plus C is equal to 180. That means B plus C equal to 180 minus A. B plus C by 2 is there. So B plus C by 2 is equal to 90 minus A by 2. So apply sine function for this relation. So sine of B plus C by 2 is equal to sine 90 minus A by 2, cos A by 2. Just replace sine B plus C by 2 by cos A by 2. Then we will get, so here replacing C and B plus C by 2 cos A by 2, in the right side part also we have cos A by 2 function. So now change this function into cos 1 minus cos square A by 2 plus replace this by cos A by 2. Cos A by 2 is there into sine of B minus C by 2. Now take cos A by 2 minus cos A by 2 from these two terms. So now minus cos A by 2, after taking minus cos A by 2, remaining part is cos A by 2 minus sine B minus C by 2. Again same procedure what you followed in the previous problems. So already A by 2 is there, just remaining are B by 2, C by 2. Already it is in terms of BC, just write down cos A by 2 in terms of BC. Cos A by 2 nothing but sin B plus C by 2. It is very easy and very important in 7 marks point of view. Sin of B plus C by 2 minus sin B minus C by 2. Okay, sin A plus B minus sin A minus B, 2 cos A sin B. So 1 minus cos A by 2 into 2 cos B by 2 sin C by 2. This is the answer. Just observe the right side of the first problem. 1 minus 2 cos A by 2 cos B by 2 sin C by 2. That is the answer. So next observe the second problem. Here this is the second problem. Now take LHS. Here also you can apply squares formulas, but there is no formula for cos square A plus cos square B. How can you apply? So the first formula is, first function is cos square A by 2. Next one is cos square B by 2. Plus cos square C by 2 is there. There is no formula for plus between cos functions. Cos square A minus sin square B is there. Then we can apply formula. So write down 1 minus sin square C by 2 in place of cos square C by 2. Just now we can apply formula for these two. These two are in the form of cos square A minus sin square B. Here we can write 1 plus cos square A by 2 plus cos square A minus sin square B, cos A plus B into cos A minus B, B plus C by 2 into cos B minus C by 2. Now observe these terms. How can you take common? Simple. So write down the formula for cos B plus C by 2. Already we discussed cos sin B plus C by 2. Here find out cos B plus C by 2. B plus C by 2 is equal to 90 minus A by 2. If you apply cos on both sides, we will get cos of B plus C by 2. Cos of B plus C by 2 is equal to cos 90 minus A by 2, sin A by 2. Just replace cos B plus C by 2 by sin A by 2. 1 plus cos square sin A by 2. Just here we are writing sin A by 2 in terms of cos B plus C by 2. But in right side part of second problem also sin A by 2, sin B by 2, sin C by 2. Here we have to change this into sin functions. So here we can write 1 minus sin square A by 2 plus replace cos B plus C by 2 sin A by 2, sin A by 2 into cos of B minus C by 2. So here we are getting sin A by 2. But in right side part of this second problem also sin A by 2, sin B by 2, sin C by 2 are there. But here there is cos square A by 2. So write down in terms of sin. Okay. Now 2 plus 1 plus 1, 2. Now take minus sin a by 2, common, sin a by 2. Then we will get sin a by 2 minus cos of a minus b by 2. Okay, already we got a term in terms of a by 2. Next, what about the remaining? B by 2, C by 2. So try to introduce B, C in place of sin A by 2. Sin A by 2 is nothing but cos B plus C by 2. Just with the help of this, we can write 2 minus sin A by 2 into cos of B plus C by 2 minus cos of B minus C by 2. Here B minus C is there. Okay, so cos of B minus C by 2. Now observe these two, cos A plus B minus cos A minus B. Cos A plus B minus cos A minus B. Minus 2 sin A sin B. That's it. So here you can write sin of A by 2 and minus of 2 sin B by 2 sin C by 2. Just observe the answer. Here minus minus plus 2 into sin A by 2 sin B by 2 sin C by 2. Just by taking 2 common, we will get 1 plus sin A by 2 sin B by 2 sin C by 2. So from this we can write 2 into 1 plus sin A by 2 sin B by 2 sin C by 2. This is the answer. Okay. These are very, very important. Just 2 more methods, important methods are there. Later class we will discuss about them. Okay. Thank you. Right. See this problem. It is a very important problem. If ABC are the angles of a triangle, prove that cos A by 2 plus cos B by 2 minus cos C by 2 equal to 4 into cos of pi plus A by 4, cos of pi plus B by 4, cos of pi minus C by 4. Here better to take RHS. Right. So now consider the RHS. Here RHS is equal to 4 cos A, cos B, cos C are there. Just we have formula for 2 cos A, cos B. Just select 2 out of 3. You can take any 2. So here I am taking first 2 terms to apply 2 cos A, cos B formula. So what about the remaining? 2 into cos of pi minus C by 4 is there. So for the remaining terms we have to apply formula. 2 into cos of pi plus A by 4 into cos of pi plus B by 4. Just apply formula for this 2 cos A cos B. 2 cos A cos B nothing but cos A plus B plus cos A minus B, right? 2 into cos of pi minus C by 4 into 2 cos A cos B means cos of A plus B. Pi plus A by 4, pi plus B by 4, A plus B plus cos of A minus B, cos of A minus B, that means pi plus A by 4 minus of pi plus B by 4. Just simplify the value, this bracket and this one. So here 2 into cos of pi minus C by 4 into cos of pi plus A plus pi plus B, 2 pi plus A plus B, the denominator for both the terms. So separate the denominator 2 pi by 4 plus A plus B by 4 plus cos of pi plus A by 4 minus pi plus B by 4. That means minus pi minus B. Minus pi plus pi will get cancelled. Then remaining term is A minus B by 4. Understand? Just simply, what is the value of this one? Cos 90 plus theta minus sin theta. Okay. Next 2 into cos of pi minus C by 4 into cos 90 minus theta minus sin theta plus cos theta form. Just multiplying by this. Then we will get minus 2 into sin of A plus B by 4 into cos of pi minus C by 4 So we can change this numerator also. We can write pi minus c equal to a plus b. No problem. Just I am doing direct method. Just you can do after changing this numerator value. If you write pi minus c equal to a plus b, then also you will get the answer. Okay. Next one, plus 2 into cos of pi minus c by 4 into cos of a minus b by 4. Just apply formula for 2 sin a cos b and here 2 cos a cos b. So here 2 sin a cos b means minus 2 sin a cos b, sin a plus b plus sin a minus b, sin of a plus b, a plus b plus pi minus c by 4, okay, plus sin of a minus b, denominator is same, so write down directly, a plus b minus of pi minus c by 4, okay. Next two terms are 2 cos a cos b plus cos of a plus b, that means pi minus c by 4 plus a minus b by 4, plus cos of a minus b, cos of a minus b, okay. Just to simplify the bracket values, within the bracket simplify it, okay. Now come to here minus is for both the terms. Just first of all simplify it. Sin of a plus b plus pi minus c. We have to change the angle into single form because in left hand side cos a by 2, cos b by 2, cos c by 2 are there. So here we can write this angle into in terms of c. Here in place of a plus b we can write pi minus c. Okay, so observe that here you can write a plus b is just our aim is want to change a single angle. Here you can write a plus b is equal to pi minus c. Next here a plus b equal to pi minus c, again a plus b equal to pi minus c. Here observe that minus of b plus c is there. B plus c is equal to pi minus a. In place of b minus c you can write this value. B plus b c equal to pi minus a, minus b minus c equal to a minus pi. Here from this we will get minus a plus b. Minus a minus c is there. In place of minus a minus c also we can write a plus c. In place of a plus c we can write pi minus b. With the help of this try to change all these angles into single form. Okay, so here we can write sin of pi minus c plus pi minus c by 4 plus sin of pi minus c minus of pi minus c, pi minus c minus of pi minus c, it is 0. Next plus cos of, so observe that here positive terms are pi and a. Pi plus a is the positive term, pi plus a, and what about the remaining term? Minus of b plus c, minus of b plus c by 4 plus cos of, from this we get minus a plus b. The positive terms are pi and b, pi plus b minus of a plus c by 4. Now by using this convert all the angles into single form. Minus sin of pi plus pi, 2 pi minus 2c by 4. That is the first term. So second term is these two terms get cancelled, sin 0 0, and the third term is pi plus a minus of b plus c. B plus c is nothing but pi minus a, cos of pi plus a minus of pi minus a by 4. Okay, right. Next term is cos of pi plus b minus of a plus equal pi minus b minus of a plus equal b minus pi by 4. Pi will get cancelled. Here pi will get cancelled. Here 90 minus theta minus of sin 90 minus theta cos theta, that means cos 2c by 4 means c by 2 plus cos of a plus a 2a by 4 plus cos of 2b by 4. So this is nothing but 2b by 4 means b by 2, 2a by 4 means a by 2. That means cos a by 2 cos b by 2 minus cos c by 2. This is equal to LHS. This is very important model, not important problem. You may change the combination. Here it may be give minus at B angle, minus at A angle, just maybe give positive at C angle also. These are the combination. That procedure be same. You have to observe the procedure, that's it. If suppose this is this type of problems, better to start from right hand side. You may be solved from left hand side also, but it is little bit easy when compared with if you start with left hand side. Okay, so one more problem on this model. Right, see this one. This is also same model problem, very important IP point of view, 7 marks, for 7 marks. Okay, so now here take RHS and apply formula for 2 cos A cos B. But there are 3 terms. We have formula for 2 terms. So select 2 out of 3. So here you can write minus 1 plus 2 into, separate the one of the 3 terms. So sin of pi minus c by 4 is there. So separate this term. The remaining terms are in the form of 2 cos A cos B. 2 cos of pi minus a by 4 into cos of pi minus b by 4. Just we have a formula for 2 functions, product of 2 functions, 2 cos A cos B. Here there are 3 terms. Just you can choose any 2 out of 3. So just adjust like this. Now here we can apply formula. Minus 1 plus 2 into sin of pi minus c by 4 into 2 cos A cos B. 2 cos A cos B means cos of A plus B, pi minus A by 4 plus pi minus B by 4 plus cos of A minus B, cos of A minus B, pi minus A by 4 minus of pi minus B by 4. Just to simplify these angles first of all. Okay, now minus 1 plus 2 into sin of pi minus c by 4 into cos of, here LCM is same, pi plus pi 2 pi and minus a and minus b are there, you can write a plus b. Right? Next one, cos of, the LCM is same, pi minus a minus pi plus b, minus pi plus pi will get cancelled, then we get b minus a by 4. Just now multiplying by this one, then we will get minus 1 plus 2 sin a. Before moving to that, just simplify this one. What will happen? 2 into sin of pi minus c by 4 into 2 pi by 4 means just split the denominator, numerator. 2 pi by 4 minus a plus b by 4. That means cos of 2 pi by 4 means pi by 2 minus a plus b by 4 plus cos of b minus a by 4. Now cos 90 minus theta equals sin theta. We can write minus 1 plus 2 into sin of pi minus c by 4 into cos 90 minus theta, sin theta, sin of a plus b by 4 plus cos of b minus a by 4. Now multiplying by this one, then we will get minus 1 plus 2 sin A, that means 2 sin A, 2 sin of pi minus C by 4 into sin of A plus B by 4. Next, plus 2 into sin of pi minus C by 4 into cos of B minus A by 4. Okay, now these two terms are in the form of 2 sin A sin B. These are in the form of 2 sin A cos B. So here we can write minus 1 plus 2 into 2 sin A sin B means 2 sin A sin B cos of A minus B minus cos A plus B. Cos of 2 sin A sin B cos of A minus B, that means pi minus C by 4 minus of A plus B by 4, cos A minus B minus cos A plus B, A plus B, pi minus C by 4 plus A plus B by 4, and 2 sin A cos B, sin A plus B plus sin A minus B, sin A plus B, A plus B, that means pi minus C by 4 plus B minus A, sin A plus B plus sin A minus B, A minus B, pi minus C by 4 minus of B minus A by 4. Just simplify the values in these brackets, only that's it, we will get the answer. So now come to the simplification is minus 1 plus cos of, the LCM is 4 minus A minus B, that means pi minus of A plus B plus C by 4 is there for both the terms. Okay, next one minus cos of plus A plus B. Here we can write A plus pi minus C plus A plus B. Just the LCM is for same. We can write pi plus, but otherwise pi minus C plus A plus B. No problem. Plus, here the LCM is same, pi minus C plus B minus A. Now the positive terms are here cos of pi plus B minus A minus C is there, minus A minus C by 4 plus sin A plus B plus sin A is plus sin of, the LCM is same, minus B plus A. The positive terms are the positive terms. So now observe this. Here A plus B plus C is equal to pi. Okay, no problem. Similarly, A plus B is equal to pi minus C. Next, what is minus A minus C? Minus A minus C is equal to B minus pi, and minus B minus C is equal to A minus pi. Just these 4 values replace by these 4, we will get the answer. So minus 1 plus cos of pi by 4 minus pi by 4 minus cos of pi minus C plus pi minus C by 4 plus sin of pi plus B plus B minus pi by 4 plus sin of pi plus A plus A minus pi by 4. So here minus 1 plus cos 0 1 cos of here 2 pi minus 2c by 4 plus sin of pi will get cancelled, 2b by 4 plus sin of 2a by 4. Okay, this is equal to minus 1 cos 90 minus c by 2, that means sin c by 2 plus sin b by 2 plus sin a by 2. This is LHS. Okay, so it is also one of the important problem, right? Okay, thank you.